Now with ShipBikes.com's track and ship box and service, you are able to conveniently ship sports gear, suitcases, and more all over the United States. Let's get started. When your track and ship box first arrives in the mail, take a quick inventory of the parts included. When you first open the track and ship box, you should see the main body, 2 cardboard spacers, and the parts kit. Inside the parts kit, you should find the packing instructions, a GPS unit that comes with its own charging equipment and instructions, 2 clear packing envelopes, 4 adhesive security strips, 8 adhesive track and ship strips for sealing the package. Now we are ready to get started assembling the box. You will first start by folding the 2 flaps to the sides and then flipping over the box as shown here. Then fold out the topmost and bottommost flap as shown. Now take one of the side flaps and fold it 90 degrees upright while also making sure to make a right angle with the sub flaps as shown. These will make up the sides of the box. Then follow along with the left flap. Then take the bottom flap and fold it over the front facing flaps, ensuring that the tabs on the bottom flap are fully pressed into the bottom of the body as shown here. Then take the top flap and fold it 90 degrees upward, joining faces with the backward flaps and making sure that the little locking flaps fold into the box as shown. You can now load your goods to be shipped into the box. It is important to make sure that you fill any voids in the box with packing material. We found that this reduces the damage rate of packages by almost 80%. Once you've loaded all of your goods into the box, you will then fold over the top flap and then lock in that with the 2 front locking flaps. The next step in sealing the box is placing the 4 adhesive strips with the track and ship logo onto the box as shown. Grab the 2 blue security strips and place them on the box as shown where the box reads security. Then take one of the clear envelopes and insert your ShipBikes.com label. You will then peel off the sticking back to the envelope and place it on the box as shown, making sure you place the envelope where the box reads packing envelope. When your valuables and other possessions are on the line, sometimes standard tracking updates are not enough to fully inform you on the whereabouts of your goods. That's why we included a GPS tracker that lets you feel confident about the security of your package. You are able to track your package in real time in either map view or satellite view. You are now all ready to go ahead and ship your package. To go and create your shipping label, go to ShipBikes.com and select Ship a Box and follow the prompts.